Hey Adam, thank you for requesting this video. Um, my name is Joshua, and I am with Peterson SEO, and I'm with you today to talk about advanced restoration and construction. But before we get into that, I do want to share with you on how you can be found by your customers um, with Google. So let's take a quick peek. Um, let's just say, for scenario purposes, we type in water damage, restoration Los Angeles, and these are the results that we're going to come up with based on our search criteria. So the first way is the sponsored area up here, and it puts you basically on the top when you type these keywords in that location. Um, so that's the first way to be found in Google, and it looks like you have a couple that are using the sponsors here. Second way to be found is what's called the Google Business Profile, and it's these three top positions up here, known as the map pack area. And you need what's called citations in order to get up here, and also you need to save your Google Business Profile 100% optimal. And that takes some management as well uh, on that end. Um, but that's the second way on how you could be found. Um, and citations, basically, it's just a bunch of directories going to your website, basically, and to your profile. So it's just kind of like a digital phone book, if you will, um, to your business. The third way on how you can be found is in the organic section. These top three positions, uh, Dry Master, Service Master, and Angie, currently hold these positions. If we type in this keyword here, so. Um, with that, let's just, these are the three different ways on how you can be found. So let's take a quick look at your website, and I really like your logo up here in the top left. That's really nice. You got a drop down menu here, a contact us tab here. Okay, all right, let's see. Got a little bit of content here. Proven, wow, nice proven results. I like that. Remediation, water damage, construction, fire damage. Nice. Okay. And it ends there. So what Google really looks for in content area is a lot of content. They want 1,500, at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content just in your homepage alone. Um, that is the rule of thumb to get uh, ranked optimally and rank organically for your website. So that's kind of what you want for your homepage. And usually about one keyword saved to 250 words of content. So from the looks of it, it looks like you got about 200 words of content here, 2 to 300. So yeah, let's just take a quick look at your competitor, drymaster.us. They were at the top position. So right below the map pack area. So right here. And they are ranked organically. So let's take a quick look. Alright, so they have a couple drop down here, testimonials, home. They have these slide of pictures here. One thing that they do have as well is these um, keywords here that are saved. And you can tell they're saved because if you just put your mouse on there, you can see it down here. And they're underlined. So they're, instead of boldface, they're underlined. Um, but they do have some. And they have around the same, probably 200 words of content or whatever. So, I mean, they can also use upgrade themselves. So, in content, that's pretty much all Google looks for in content. You want to make sure that you are optimal in that area. second thing I want to discuss is backlinks and a little bit of keyword type stuff. So I plugged in your website, advancedrestorationca.com, right here in a tool called Ahrefs. Now, this tool right here, it shows the current status of your website in the eyes of Google. So let's just take a quick look. Your URDR rating, I mean, there's no data. It's almost like it's not there, is what it shows here. You got no organic traffic. You got one keyword. So let's kind of see, and that's the keyword you're looking for. And you are using a national keyword. So that's why you're getting this much volume. Um, so I'm sure you're probably getting calls from places that ain't even in your service area. So it's best to like optimize that and kind of work better for you. Let's just take a quick look at your competitors, drymaster.us, and this is their current uh, score, as you will, in Google. So they have an 8 power rating for strength and a 1 strength, or excuse me, a trust rating. So they have 65 referring domains. These are really important. And they have 108 organic keywords, and they are getting 222 organic traffic. Wow, that's a lot of traffic, just for being up there and ranking organically. Um, and they're not very high powered up there. I mean, we could do what they're doing, and then some, and there you go. So, so yeah, I mean, basically in a nutshell, Adam, that's about all I have for you. But let's take another quick recap on what we discussed. There's 3 different ways on how you can be found. You can be found in the sponsored area up here. Second place you can be found is map pack area. Now, keep in mind that 30% of your business will come from here, without a doubt. 30% of business comes from here. So if you're up here, you're optimally ranked up here, and you're good with citations, and you're good to go up here. So basically, we just gotta mirror what these guys are doing, and then some, and you're good to go. And the third way, of course, is my personal favorite, which is the organic section, where DryMaster currently has the top slot, Angie's List, and Service Master. 70%, a whopping 70% of your business is found here. So, I mean, if you're not up here, I mean, might as well leave money on the table, right? So, um, in a nutshell, I mean, your website that you invested in should be benefiting you and your business to be very optimal. So that way, it could benefit you and your business. So with that, that's about all I have for you, Adam. I hope this information is useful to you. If you happen to need a guide, like to help you through this in your journey, feel free to contact me. My name is Joshua Gutierrez. I am with Peterson SEO, and you can reach me at Joshua at Peterson SEO Consulting.com, or you can reach my phone number at 505-331-7995. And if not, no harm, no foul. I mean, this is free information for you to use, so feel free to contact me anytime, and I look forward to hearing from you. So with that, Adam, I hope the rest of your day is good to you. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.